Hi you guys, good morning. So this is our fourth vlog and our fourth morning here in South Africa. We woke up pretty early by 6:30. It's 7 now. It's still dark outside, yes. So our plan for today is we'll be going to West Coast National Park to see the spring flowers. Riju is helping me preparing the breakfast today. I just took my shower and came back. So let's see what Riju is making. I think he's boiling milk or making some tea. Riju, what are you doing?
So, same. I'm just boiling the
Milk?
Yeah.
And we'll eat oats now.
Yes.
And then we'll get ready a bit. So we'll do the final touch up. We're almost ready, but we need to pack our bags because we'll leave this apartment. And now we'll be going to the West Coast National Park, as I mentioned, to see the spring flowers. So all we have for breakfast is a cup of tea and some oats porridge with bananas and raisins. So Riju has already loaded the boot and now we are all set?
Yes, let's go to West Coast National Park.
Okay.
And we are crossing Lion's Head.
The name of this peak is Lion's Head. So we reached West Coast National Park and it almost took an hour from Cape Town. We are already inside the park now and now heading towards Postburg section to see the flowers. Because we have wild card, so the entry was free for us. We have this wild card and I'll show you where. This is the gate we entered from, West Coast Gate. And now we are going to Postburg section. So this is the flower valley and these all are seasonal flowers. They bloom in the month of August and September, and for the rest of the year this section of the park remains closed. It's beautiful. Maybe next 1 or 2 weeks they will be fully matured and the whole area will be covered with flowers. So we stopped by to click some pictures, but we are not allowed to step into these flower beds.
So, look who is chilling. Pooja, you're chilling? Okay.
So we stopped by a gas station and found this beautiful cafeteria. So thought of having our lunch here. Riju, what have you ordered? Rooster Cook. Rooster Quake. Yeah.
Cook.
Cook, okay.
Rooster Cook. So
We
let's
have
see.
ordered one of those. The lady said it's a specialty dish here. And I have ordered hot chocolate for me, and Riju has ordered cappuccino. So we are waiting for our food now, and once we finish our food, we'll head back to
Cape Town.
Cape Town. So this is a very countryside cafeteria. We really love such kind of places. Oh, our food is being served.
Let's see.
These rooster quake, cook or quake. I don't know how they pronounce that. This is my hot chocolate, and that's Riju's cappuccino. Cappuccino or latte you have ordered? Cappuccino. Cappuccino. That's great. So let's dive in.
So we have ordered a platter of Rooster Cook, which has three
Different fillings.
So the first one is jam and butter, I think.
No, jam and cheese.
Jam and cheese. Okay. So let's
This is
try
the local one and the authentic one.
it. Okay, let's try this.
Good.
Delicious.
And what is the other? Chicken mayo?
So chicken mayo and minced curry.
Curry, yeah. Bon appetit.
This looks lovely, guys. We just found this place on the road and is as beautiful as what we saw in the morning. Even better, I think. Pooja is in love with this place. Who wouldn't be? What a place.
This is beautiful. I also got my hat matching.
So windy.
It's very windy, yeah.
You got your hat matching.
Yeah.
Yeah, finally. Finally something you brought which matched the color. Huh?
It's beautiful here.
From West Coast National Park, I think it's around 20-25 minutes drive. On the way back to Cape Town, we found this. It's beautiful.
This is
Yeah, you're saying something, Pujay?
This is a mustard fill, I guess, no?
No, absolutely not. Oh, or is it?
Mustard seeds.
Maybe. Is this a mustard fill, Pujay?
I don't know. I'm just assuming, I'm not sure. I think so, it's a mustard fill. So we are about to reach Cape Town in less than 20 minutes. But can you see these mountains? Here one. There are a few more. These are the range of Table Mountains. We are back in Cape Town and this is a beautiful view of Camps Bay. Right now we are sitting at a point called Maiden's Cove. Just look at the view.
This is so relaxing. Wish the mountains would have been more visible. But anyway, this view is also awesome. You get a proper view of the 12 Apostles and the
Camps Bay.
Camps Bay beach.
Yeah, it's
wonderful.
beautiful. It's beautiful. So we just reached our Airbnb property in Cape Town and Riju is trying to unlock that gate because I don't think so the owner stays here.
I think one of the stays here, I think it's because of the safety protocol.
The owner stays here?
I think so. It's basically contactless. So that
Oh, okay. So there is a security pin and they have left the keys for us there. Nice. So we are our own security now. Let's open the gate. Cool.
Let's go.
Now let's go inside and check our property.
So we have parked the car and let's see the apartment.
Welcome to the apartment.
Okay, so this is in the Sunset Beach. Pooja, you want to give a tour?
So this is the apartment. This is dining table, sitting area. It's beautiful.
I like the white touch.
Yeah. It's very, what do you call it? It's very vibrant.
Okay, so now we are going to...
The bedroom. Come inside the bedroom. This is the bedroom. I really love the combination of white and yellow. Okay, one more thing interesting. So these are the foam sheets. If you want darkness in your room, you can put it here.
Okay.
This is so cool. Okay.
This
Now-
looks like we're living
In
a
a ship,
ship,
no?
right?
In a ship, yeah. Okay, so now, come on in. This is the shower area, bathroom. We have a bathtub here, pretty big.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, pretty big for both of us. Now, come on, show you the kitchen.
Okay.
This is for the very first time I'm watching an wardrobe kitchen.
Oh, this is unique.
What do you think of it, guys?
Oh, nice.
Kitchen inside a wardrobe.
Cool.
Okay, let me close it down.
What next?
Next is a balcony, I guess.
Okay. Wow.
And this is the most beautiful part of this room. Yeah.
Okay. That looks heavy.
Yeah, it was heavy.
But look at the gorgeous view. We booked this apartment or the Airbnb just because of this view. This gives a different perspective to Table Mountain because this is called the Sunset Beach. If you can see, that's where the sunset is happening. This is called the Sunset
the
Beach.
View is gorgeous. The view is
And
gorgeous.
that's Cape Town where we were staying earlier.
And that's the Table Mountain.
And those are the Table Mountains. So you have a lovely sitting area here. And you have a swimming pool. It's obviously very cold, so
But it's covered now.
it's covered right now, but you also have a swimming pool. So you have a braai facility also here, so if you wish to
Do some barbecue.
do some barbecue, you can definitely do it here. I love the apartment. This is also unique. We wanted to try different apartments this time in Cape Town because we are staying here for 5 days. And we wanted to try different places with different views. I think this is absolutely a different view than the other one which we were staying. Probably we were staying somewhere there earlier, that side, around that side. So Table Mountain is covered today with clouds. Hopefully tomorrow it will clear up. Look, I think the mountains are clearing up. What a view.
It looks like a tablecloth in the Table Mountain.
Yeah, it looks like a tablecloth there on the Table Mountain. So I always get confused. I think that's the Lion side which is clearing up, or the Signal Hill. I am not very sure between the two. Okay, so if you're wondering where is this exactly, so I'll leave the Airbnb link in the description box below, and you can definitely try and book it. And if you're wondering how much this place cost us, so we paid around $137 for 2 nights that we are staying. Given the property and how it looks like and with the view, we definitely don't mind paying this.
So, Riju, what's your plan for this evening? Should
So
we
I
open
think
a bottle of wine?
I think we should open some wine, just sit here, and watch the gorgeous sunset with this amazing view of Table Mountain and Cape Town. Yeah, that sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what we are having, gifted by my cousin. Cheers, Pujay.
Alright guys, so we'll spend some quality time with each other now, and for dinner our friend has invited us. So probably by 6:37 we'll be heading to their house, and yeah.
Which is just 5 minutes from here.
Yeah, and that's it for this video.
Hope you like it. So if you've liked it, do subscribe to our channel.
And hit the notification bell guys, ting ting ting, so whenever we post new videos, you get notified.
Okay, so that's it, day 4 from us. For day 5, tune in again for the next video, which will be up shortly. See you guys.
Goodbye.